I wake before sunrise, knowing duty begins with the first light. I prepare both body and mind before wearing the weight of armor. My armor becomes part of me before another day of service. The people trust my sword to keep their homes safe. History changes with every step I take across this battlefield. Another day ends, but my oath to the kingdom remains.